Hello everyone, my name is Glenna, and in this short video I will quickly show you how to navigate through your response form pages. The Skipster form has 3 different customizable pages that are shown via the left-hand side menu. Let's check each one in a bit more detail. The landing page is the initial page where you can add any relevant information about your event and before directing the guest to an actual response form. You can use this page to enable your guest to submit an RSVP on behalf of a related guest if you are using the Relationships feature. The form page is the actual response form where you can request all the information you want your guests to submit. This is the page where guests can confirm or decline their attendance. The success page is the page shown after the guest submits the form. You can customize this page and display different messages depending if your guest has accepted or declined your invitation. By default, the landing page will be the first page displayed to you once you create a new response form. But you can click into the form or success page thumbnails to open the different pages. The landing page is also the only response form page that can be disabled. Hover the mouse on the top of the landing page thumbnail and click into the eye icon to disable it. Once disabled, your guests will be directed straight into the form page when they open your RSVP invitation. You can re-enable the landing page by clicking into the eye icon again or click the Turn Landing Page On text located in the middle part of the screen. Head to our Help Center for more tutorial videos and articles, and thanks for watching.